Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools Smart BOM. This tool allows you to create bill of materials from an assembly or a Windows folder. The BOM can then be exported using different file types, and it also allows you to complete missing custom properties. So go to your myCADtools and select Smart BOM. I'm going to use the currently open assembly, so I can just select assembly for my selected components and click apply. If I do not have an assembly open at this time, I can always browse and add one, or I could select a folder. Over here at the bottom you can see my actual bill of materials, and I can go and customize this. If I want, I can go and delete the extra columns that I do not want simply by clicking and selecting remove column. I can also add columns, so I can right click and select add column. To customize this column, I can click on it. From columns type, I can choose custom properties, and I can choose the specific SOLIDWORKS custom property that I would like to access. Then I'll just specify the name, and you'll see that my description column has been added. The nice thing about the Smart BOM feature in myCADtools is you can see one of my features does not have description. If I want to edit this value, I simply make sure enable edit properties is active, and then I can double click and edit the description for that value. You will see that this actually updates the parts custom properties. You can also use the Smart BOM to export bill of materials to various file types, text files, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, and more. Thank you for watching.